Good morning, everyone. I am Komal Singh and I am basically from Ankleshwar, Gujarat. I am 19 years old and currently pursuing BTech in Petroleum Engineering from Pandit Deendayal Petroleum University. I am a black belt in Taekwondo and Karate and have won several national tournaments, and I have also represented my country in South Asian Championship. My other hobbies are playing different kinds of sports like kho, kabaddi, basketball, etc. I also love to dance and watch movies and series. Okay, so since I was a child, I always wanted to do something unique and never wanted to settle for ordinary. Climbing the bandwagon has never really been my thing. My strength and weaknesses both have been the same thing, that is, I want to do everything. Back in my school, I won the All-Rounder Award for like 7 consecutive years, and that is something that I'm really proud of. But eventually I understood that even if I like to do everything, I should have a particular aim in life. Because since childhood, we are all asked about our aim. To answer that, I've always been saying to people, like I always used to say that I wanted to become the Grand Master of Taekwondo, which never really happened. Well, definitely, I still have hope to do something in that field. But now that I am a grown up, and my most important goal in life is to be happy and to have fun every minute that I have. And according to me, that is what being successful is. And I tend to achieve it by doing the thing that which I really like, which I'm really good at. So a lot comes to mind when one wants to graduate from school, particularly when the individual has to make life goal decisions that will earn him a money. So being good at maths, I decided to take or opt science. And as Isaac Asimov said, we can all be enthralled by all the things science, but it is engineering that actually changes the world. Engineers labor for the society, and their labor normally incur lots of risks and hazards. However, when their outcomes are effective, society applauds them and accords them with their due respect. So after my JEE Mains, I chose to become a professional petroleum engineer. In many rural areas of our country, there is a limited supply of power. So I wanted to do something that would provide more energy sources for the people. Petroleum oil attracted my attention at the first time when I took the chemistry classes. I was amazed that petroleum oil not only was utilized as essential energy source for our daily lives, but also served as raw materials for industries, for like other industries. Currently, I am a core committee member at FIPI, that is Federation of Indian Petroleum Industry, and have actively attended many seminars of FIPI, SPE, SEG, IADC, etc. These seminars gave me opportunities to expose to new technologies in petroleum engineering. Now, beyond taking more major courses, I am applying for an internship in the petroleum companies. I hope this internship will allow me to experience how the engineers confront different critical situations. After my BTech, I look forward to take a decent placement, and after 2-3 years of experience, I want to pursue Masters in Science, that is MSc in Petroleum Engineering from University of Texas, Austin. I want to specialize in production engineering in the field to supervise the production process closely. I wish to work with the other professional engineers to improve the safety issues to the platform and develop a better method for oil and drilling. In this way, I will maintain a safe working environment for my colleagues while do no harm to the nature. I believe this action will greatly reduce the man-made tragedies. I want to work competently and reliably as a professional petroleum engineer, and this alone would mark the ultimate essence of all my career goals. Thank you and have a nice day.